Which of these blood cells help in clotting? Platelets. Resolution of human eye is 576 megapixels. In eye donation, which one of the following parts of donor's eye is utilized? Cornea. What is the basic unit of heredity? Gene. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? Vitamin D. Which blood group is universal donor? O negative. Which blood group is called the universal acceptor? AB positive. If this video is useful, please don't forget to like the video, it gives us lots of motivation. Which organ produces insulin? Pancreas. Myopia is a human eye disorder that can be corrected by using the lens. Concave lens, the term used to explain being short-sightedness, is myopia. Which part of the plant is mainly responsible for photosynthesis? Leaves. What is the normal pH level of human blood? 7.4. What is the main function of the kidneys? Filtration of blood. Glaucoma is a disease of eyes. The largest bone in the human body is femur. Smallest bone in human body is stapes. Which organ system includes the skin? Integumentary system. Which hormone is released during stress? Cortisol. Blood is transported away from the heart by arteries. Which gas is a waste product of cellular respiration? Carbon dioxide. What is the smallest unit of life? Cell. The purpose of rib cage is to protect heart and lungs. Tendons and ligaments are fibrous connective tissue. What is the function of antibodies? Fight infection. Which organ is primarily responsible for detoxifying chemicals in the body? Liver. What pigment gives plants their green color? Chlorophyll. Which of these is a fat-soluble vitamin? Vitamin D. What enzyme in saliva breaks down starches? Amylase. Which part of the human brain controls breathing? Medulla oblongata. Which cells in the body are primarily responsible for immunity? White blood cells. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Ribosome. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Vitamin K. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. Where does digestion of proteins begin in the human body? Stomach. Which mineral is important for strong bones and teeth? Calcium. The main function of red blood cells is to carry oxygen. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels? Insulin. The primary role of bile is to emulsify fats. Which macromolecule is primarily responsible for building muscle? Proteins. What is the normal body temperature in Celsius? 37 degrees Celsius. The voice box in humans is also known as the larynx. Which of these is a primary function of carbohydrates? Energy storage. Which of the following is not a function of the liver? Secreting insulin. Hemoglobin is a protein found in